I want to draw the bar. Draw the bar. Take your seats. Honorable members, you may take your seats now. Honorable Dani Wanyama, take your seat. Honorable Minority Whip, take your seat. Honorable members, I have been given the following as whips, as tellers. For the ayes, the Honorable Zaire Janda MP and the Honorable Jared Okello MP. For the nays, the Honorable Onesmus Ngogoyo and Honorable Jane Njeri. You may come forward and join the clerks at the table. Now the voting order, the voting will be as follows. Order. We will start by calling out the Honorable Samal, member for Isiolo. Is it West? Isiolo North. You all know Honorable Samal has a condition and he needs to be assisted. So the clerk and the tellers will go to where he is. The clerk and one on either side go and take Honorable Samal's vote. Once you are done, the constituencies are numbered alphabetically from A to Z. So we'll start with probably Ainamoi is normally the first, and we'll end up with the last. Pardon? Yes. Okay, Njoroge, take the vote of Honorable Samal, Honorable Kosgei, and Honorable Wanyonyi. Then go alphabetically for everybody else. And when voting is going on, members, you must remain in your seats. You must remain silent and let the process go on uninterrupted, the same way you have been orderly the whole day. Of course, I put the question, pardon? Yes? Toto has already indicated to the clerks that she'll wait and vote like everybody else. So she's not in a special case. Is Mother Wangara also lactating? I didn't know that. Now, clerk, those who are supporting the motion are voting yes. Those who are not are voting no. The tellers are, as I've told you, for yes, Janda and Okello, for no's, Kasheri and Gogoyo. Clerk, over to you.
Voting starts now. Isiolo North, Lomwa Joseph Samal. Westlands, Wetangula Timothy Wanyonyi. Nominated member, Jackson Kosgei Kipkemoi.
You give them the mic.
You leave one teller the other side. Who will go there? Go. Okay. Janda also.
I, Tim Wanyonyi, Member of Parliament for Westlands, I vote no. I vote yes. I vote yes.
Order, honorable members. He has voted yes. Order.
I, Jackson Kipkemoi Koskei, nominated Member of Parliament, I vote yes.
Yes. I'll stop them. Yes. You are done with Honorable Samal? He can't talk. Honorable members, for the rest of the members, when your name is called, don't repeat your name. Just vote yes or no. Okay, go ahead, Njoroge.
Ainab Koi, Samuel Chepkonga, Aina Moi, Benjamin Langat, Aldai, Marian Kitani, Alego Usonga, Samuel Atandi, Awendo, John Walter Owino, Bahati, Irene Joki, Balambala, Shurie Abdi Omar, Baringo County, Florence Jamatia, Baringo Central, Joshua Kandie, Baringo North, Joseph Maglap, Baringo South, Charles Cameron, Belgut, Nelson Koech, Bobasi, Innocent Obiri, Bobasi, Innocent Obiri, Bamachoge Borabu, Nolfason Obadia, Bamachoge Chache, Alpha Miruka Ondieki, Bomet County, Linet Chepkorir Toto, Bomet Centro, Richard Cheriot Kilel, Bomet East, Richard Kipkemoi Yegon, Boka, Bungoma, Kadri Nanjala Wabilianga, Bura, Kuno Yakub Ado, Bureti, Kibet Kirui Komingoi, Busia County, Omanyo Kadri Nahambi, Omanyo Kadri Nahambi, Butere Nicholas Tindi Mwale, Butula Joseph Oyula, Buuri Muruidhania Rindikiri Mugambi, Central Imenti Moses Nguchine Kirima, Central Imenti Moses Kirima Nguchine, Changamwe Omar Mwinyi, Chepalungu Victor Kipngetich Koech, Cherangani Patrick Simiyu Barasa, Cherangani Patrick Simiyu Barasa, Chesumei Paul Biego, Chuka Iganga Ngombe Patrick Ntwega Munene, Dadab Farama Alim, Dagoretti North, Beatrice Elachi. Dagoretti South, John Kerry Waweru. Eldama Ravine, Musa Sirma. Eldas, Adan Kenan. Elgeyo Marakwet County, Ngerechei Jepto Caroline. Embakasi Central, Gadhiro Majadonk Benjamin. Embakasi East, Babu Owino Ongili. Embakasi East, Babu Owino Ongili. Embakasi North, James Gakuya. Embakasi South, Julius Mawade. Embakasi West, Mark Samuel Mwenje Mureithi. Embakasi West, Mark Samuel Mwenje Mureithi. Embu County, Double N Pamela Njoki. Mgwen. Njoki is? No. Njoki is no. Mgwen. Lelmengit Jose Gipto. Emuhaya Omboko Milemba. Emura Dikir Johanna Ngeno. Endebes, Robert Pukose. Yes. Fafi, Yakub Farah. Funyula, Oundo Wilberforce. Galole, Said Buya Hiribae, Said Poster. Ganze, Charo Kenneth Tungule. Garissa County, Udgon Amina Siad. Garissa Township, Major Deko Baro. Garsen, Ali Wario Guyo. Katanga, Wakili Mureu. Gatondo North, Kururia Njoroge. Gatondo North, Kururia Njoroge. Gatondo South, Gabriel Gaduka Kagombe. Gem, Elisha Odhiambo. Gichugu, Robert Gichimu. Gilgil, Mother Wangari Wanjira. Gilgil, Mother Wangari Wanjira. Gilgil, Mother Wangari Wanjira.
I vote no.
Githunguri, Gathoni wa Mochomba.
I vote no.
Hamisi, Charles Gumini Gimose. Homa Bay County, Bensuda Joyce Osogo.
Pardon? Take the vote again. Order, Bensuda, utaitwa tena.
Homa Bay Town.
Order, members, order.
Homa Bay Town, George Peter Kaluma. Igembe Central, Daniel Karido Kili. Igembe North, Taitumu Julius. Igembe South, John Paul Mwirigi. Ijara, Abdi Ali Abdi. Ikolomani, Shinali Bernard. Isiolo County, Mumina Bonaya. Isiolo North, Isiolo South, Bidu Tubi Mohammed. Jomvu Badibadi Twalib. Juja George Koimburi. Kabete James Gedua wa Mashukuru. Kabete James Gedua wa Mashukuru. Kabondo Kasipul Ivo Bara. Kabuchai Kalasinga Joseph. Kacheliba Lote Titus. Kacheliba Lote Titus. Kaiti Joshua Kivinda Kimilu. Kaiti Joshua Kivinda Kimilu. Kaiti Joshua Kivinda Kimilu. Kajiado County Lea Sankaire. Kajiado County Lea Sankaire. Kajiado Central Memusi Elijah. Kajiado East Kakuta Maimai. Kajiado North Onesimus Ngogoyo. Kajiado South Parashina Samuel Sakimba. Kajiado West Sunkuya George. Kakamega County Elsie Muhanda. Kaloleni Paul Katana. Kamukonji Hassan Yusuf. Kamukonji Hassan Yusuf. Kamukonji Hassan Yusuf. Kandara Chege Njuguna. Kandui John Makali. Kangema Peter Kihungi. Kagundo Fabian Chule. Kapenguria Samuel Moroto. Kapsaret Oscar Sudi. Kapsaret Oscar Sudi.
Karachuonyo Okwome Andrew Adipo. Kasarani Karauri Ronald Kamwiko. Kasipul Were Charles Ongondo. Kathiani Mbui Robert. Keyo North Korir Adams Kipsanai. Keyo South Kipkoech Gideon Kimayo. Kericho Kemei Beatrice Chemweno. Keses Ruto Julius Kipleting. Keses Kuisero Wangaya Christopher Aseka. Kiamba Wanjiko John Jogona. Kiambu Waithaka John Mashua. Kiambu Waithaka John Mashua.
Kiambu Town. He's not here.
Kiambu Muratha Ann Wajiko Mugo. Kibra Orero Peter Ochieng. Kibwezi Mbalu Jessica Nduku Kiko. Kibwezi West Mutuse Ekomas Mwengi. Kieni Wainaina Anthony Njoroge. Kieni Wainaina Anthony Njoroge. Kigumo Munyoro Joseph Kamau. Keharu Nyoro Samson Dindi. Kikuyu Eshungwa Anthony Kemani. Kilgoris Sunkuli Julius Lekakeny. Kilifi Mwanyanje Gertrude Mbeyu. Kilifi North Baya Owen Ya. Kilifi South Kiti Richard Ken Chonga. Kilome Zambia Thaddeus Kethua. Kimilili Mutua Didmas Wekesa Barasa. Kiminini Bisao Morris Kakai. Kinango Rai Samuel Gonzi. Gonzi Rai. Kinangop Thuku Zakari Kwenya. Voted. Is voted. Kipipiri Muhia Wanjiko. Kipkelion East Cheroro Joseph Kimutai. Kipkelion West Hilary Kiplangat Koske. Kirinyaga Jen Jerry Maina. Kirinyaga Central Gitari Joseph Gashoki. Kirinyaga Central Joseph Gashoki Gitari. Kisauni Bedzimba Rashid Juma. Kisi Donya Doris Aburi. Kisumu Busia Ruth Adhiambo Odinga. Kisumu Central Oron Joshua Odongo. Kisumu East Ahmed Shakil Ahmed Shabir. Kisumu West Rosa Akinyebuyu. Kitui Irene Modoni Kasalu. Kitui East Nimrod Midhuka Mbai. Kitui Central Makali Benson Mulu. Kitui Rural Mboni David Mwalika. Nyamai Rachel Kaki Kitui South. Edith Vethi Nyanze Kitui West. Mokaya Nyakundi Japheth Kitutu Chache North. We take it from where? I will repeat from Kitui South. Rachel Kaki Nyamai.
She voted.
Yes. Nyanza Edith Vethi.
She voted.
Nyakundi Japheth Mokaya.
I vote yes.
Kibagendi Anthony. Kitutu Chache South.
Amesema? No. Kibagendi amesema? Kibagendi.
Kitutu Chache South, Kibagendi Anthony. Clive, Kitutu Masaba, Clive Ombane Gisairo. Konoin Brighton Leonard Yegon. Kuresoi North Mutai Alfred Kibrono. Kuresoi North. Okay. Joseph Kipkoske Tanui, Kuresoi South. Okay. Kuria East Masairo Marwa Kitayama. Kuria West Robi Matthias Nyamabe. Kwale Masito Fatuma Hamisi. Kwanza Wanyonyi Ferdinand Kevin. Lafi Abdurrahman Mohammed Abdi. Lakdera Mohammed Abdikadir Hussein. Laikipia Jane Wangeshi Kagiri. Laikipia East Festus Mwangi Kionjuri. Laikipia North Sara Paulata Korere. Ndio. Laikipia West Stephen Washira Karani. Laisamis Joseph Lekuton. Lamu Monica Mudoni Marufu. Lamu East Obor Weida Muhammad. Lamu West Modama Stanley Moiruri. Langata Felix Odiwor Kode. Kahangara Lari Joseph Mburu Kahangara. Likoni Mishi Juma Hamisi Mboko. Likuyani Innocent Maino Mugabe. Limuru John Kiragu Shege. Loima Akuja Protas Ewesit. Luanda Dick Maungu Oyugi. Thank you. Nabii Nabwera Daraja Lugari. Lunga Chiforomondo Mangale Munga. Lurambi Titus Hamala Mkhwana. Mara Jafet Miriti Kareke Mbyuki. Machakos Joyce Kamene. Machakos Town Caleb Mutiso Mule. Okay. Yeah, but George Aladwa Omwera Makadara. Makweni Kiamba Susan Dunge. Makweni Women Rep Mumo Rose Museo. Absent. Can I repeat? Makweni Mumo Rose Museo. Malava Moses Malulu Injendi. Malindi Amina Laura Munyazi. Mandera North Abdullahi Bashir Sheikh. Mandera Umul Kasim Sheikh. Mandera East Abdurrahman Usenwetan Muhammad. Mandera South Abdul Ibrahim Haro. Mandera West Yusuf Adan Haji. Manyata John Gitonga Mwaniki Mukunji. Maragwa Mary Wamaua Waidira Njoroge. Marakwet East David Kangogo Bowen. Marakwet West Timothy Kipchumba Toroitich. Marsabit Naomi Jilo Wako. Masinga Mwalio Joshua Mbithi Mutua. Masinga Joshua Mbithi Mutua Mwalio. Matayos Geoffrey Makoha Modanga. Madare Anthony Oluoch. Madhioya Edwin Mugo Gishoki. Okay. Madira Kahugu Eric Mwangi. Matuga Tandaza Kasim Sawa. Okay. Matungu Nabulindo Peter Oscar. Is there. Yeah, Tandaza is there. Can I repeat Matuga? Matuga Tandaza Kasim Sawa. Okay, asante. Matungulu Mule Stephen Mutinda. Mavoko Kingola Patrick Makau. Mbere North Geoffrey Kariuki Kiringa. Mbere South Nebat Bernard Murioki. Mboni Nzioka Erastus Kivasu. Meru Kailemia Elizabeth Karab. Migori Mohammed Fatuma Zainab. Mogotio Kiborek Ruben. Moiben Phyllis Chepkemoy Barto. Molo Francis Kuria Kimani. Mombasa Zamzam Muhammad Chimba. Mosob Abraham Kipsang Kirwa. Moyale Jaldesa Guyo Wako. Msambweni Jaldesa. Okay, capture, thank you. Msambweni Badr Salim Faisal. Mount Elgon Fred Kapondi Chesebe. Muhoroni James Onyango Oyo. Mukorweini Gishoi Kagusha John Philip. Mumias East Salasia Peter Kalerwa. Mumias West Naika Johnson Manya. Moranga Betty Njeri Maina. Mvita Mohamed Saud Machele. Mwala Musau Vincent Musioka. Okay, done. Mwatate Peter Mbogo Shake. Peter Mbogo Shake. Thank you. Mwea Mary Maingi. Mwingi Central Gideon Muteme Muliungi. Mwingi North Paul Musimi Nzengu. Mwingi West Charles Ngusi Anguna. Nairobi City Esther Mudhoni Pasaris. Naivasha Kihara Jane Wanjiru Njeri. Nakuru Chelule. Can I repeat Naivasha? Kihara Jane Wanjiru Njeri. Nakuru Liza Chepkorir Chelule. Nakuru Town East Gikaria David. Nakuru Town West Arama Samuel. Nambale Mulanya Geoffrey Ekesa. Nandi Cynthia Chepkoske Muge. Nandi Hills Bernard Kibor Kitur. Narok Rebecca Nonaishi Tonke. Narok East Lemanken Aramat. Narok North Agnes Mantaine Pareye. Narok South, Olentutu Kitilai. Narok West, Gabriel Koshal Tongoyo. Navaholo, Emmanuel Wangwe. Ndaragwa, Gachagua George N. Ndiwa, Martin Peter Sowino. Ndia, GK George Masharia Kariuki. Njoro, Charity Katambi Chepkwony. North Hor, Guyo Adi Wario. North Imenti, Abdul Rahim Dawood. North Mogirango, Joash Nyamache Nyamoko. Nyakach, Joshua Aduma War. Nyali, Mohammed Ali Mohammed. Nyamira, Jerusha Momanyi Mongina.
Mohammed Ali is here. Mohammed,
yes, he's voted. He's voted. I repeat, Nyamira, Jerusha Momanyi Mongina. Thank you. Nyandarua, Getao Faith Wairemo. Nyando, Okelo Jared Odoyo.
Nyando votes yes.
Nyaribari Chache, Zahid Janda.
Yes.
Nyaribari Masaba, Daniel Ogwo Kamanduku. Nyatike, Tom Boya Odege. Nyeri, Rahab Mukami Washira. Nyeri Town, Duncan Maina Madenge. Oljororok, Moshira Michael Mwangi. Olkalau, David Juguna Kiaraho. Odaya, Michael Wambogo Wainaina. Pokot South, David Losiakau Kosing. Rabai, Mupe Anthony Nkenga. I have been asked to repeat Pokot South.
He said yes.
Pokot South, Kosing David Losiakau. Thank you. Rabai Anthony Kenga Mupe. Rangwe Gogo Linian Achieng. Rarieda Amolo Paul Otiende. Rongai Paul Kibet Chebor. Rongo Paul Abur. Roysambu Agustin Kamade Mwafrika. Ruaraka Francis Kajwang Tom Joseph.
Yes.
Roiro Kingara Simon Nganga. Runyenjes Karemba Eric Muchangi Njiru. Sabatia Sloya Clement Logova. Saboti Caleb Amisi Luyai. Saku Raso Dido Ali. Samburu Pauline Lenguris. Samburu East Jackson Lekumuntare Lentoijoni. Samburu North Dominic Eli Letipila. Samburu West Josephine Naisula Lesuda. Seme James Wambura Nyikal. Shinyalu Frederick Lusuli Ikana. Siaya Odwor Christine Ombaka. Sigor Peter Lochakapong. Sigor Awetsoin Justice Kipsang Kemei. Sirisia John Waluke Koi. Sotik Francis Kipiegon Arab Sige. South Imenti Idinji Shadrach Mwiti. South Mogirango, Onyego Silvana Sosoro. Soy, David Kiplagat. Starehe, Maina Mwago Amos. Suba North, Millie Grace Akoto Diambo. Suba South, Karoli Omondi. Subukia, Kashobe Samuel Kenudia. Suna East, Mohammed Junaid Sheikh Nu. Suna West, Peter Francis Masara. Taita Taveta, Lydia Haika Mnene Mizigi. Tana River, Amina Dika Abdullahi. Tarbaj, Hussein Abdi Bare. Taveta, John Okano Bwire. Teso North, Edward Kaunya Oku. Teso South, can I repeat Teso North? Oku Edward Kaunya. Thank you. Teso North, Oku Edward Kaunya.
Yeah, he has voted.
Sorry, Teso South, Otucho Mary Emase. Tetu, Geoffrey Wandeto Mwangi. Daraka, Murugara George Gitonga. Daraka Nithi, Susan Ngugi Nduyo. Thika Town, Nganga Alice Wamboi. Tiati, William Kamket Kasait. Tigania East, Lawrence Purwaburi. Tigania West, John Kanwithia Motunga. Tinderet, Julius Melikibiwot. Tongaren, John Murumba Chikati. Trans Nzoia, Lilian Chebetsiyoy. Tarbo, Janet Chepkemboy Sitiene. Turkana, Cecilia Asinyen Gitit. Turkana Central, Joseph Namwar Emathe. Turkana East, Nicholas Ngikor Nixon Ngikolong. Turkana North, Paul Ekwom Nabuin.
Is there?
Yeah. Okay. Turkana South, John Ariko Namoit. Turkana West, Daniel Epuyo Nanok. Wasingishu, Gladys Chepkoskei Boss. Ugenya, Ochieng David Ouma. Uriri, Nyamita Mark Ogola. Vihiga, Kagesi Kivai Ernest Ogesi. Vihiga, Adagala Beatrice Kahai. Voi, Hamis Chome Abdi. Wajir, Fatuma Abdi Jeho. Wajir West, Aden Daudi Muhammad. Wajir North, Ibrahim Abdi Sane. Wajir South, Muhammad Aden Ado. Wajir West, Yusuf Muhammad Farah. Webuye East, Martin Pepela Wanyoni. Webuye West, Daniel Wanyamasitati. West Mogirango, Mogaka Stephen. West Pokot, Rael Chepkemoy Kasiwai. Westlands, Timothy.
He has already voted.
Oh, sorry, we have done that, sorry. Wundanyi, Mwakuona Danson Mwashako. Basil Robert Ngui Yata. Yata.
Is he here?
Ali Abdisirat Khalif. Sabina Wanjiru Shege. Joseph Hamisi Dena. My vote yes. Joseph Hamisi Dena. Okay. Suleka Hulbale Harun. Dorothy Mudoni Kiara. Joseph Wainaina Iraya. Irene Joseph Wainaina Iraya.
He's voted.
Okay.
Yes.
Irene Nyakerario Mayaka. Umulher Harun Muhammad. Teresia Wanjiro Mwangi. No. Abubakar Ahmed Tali.
Yeah.
Abubakar Talib. Thank you.
You finished? Honorable members, order. Is there any member present who has not had his or her name called out?
Is there?
Yes.
Good evening. You are watching the sitting of the National Assembly this evening, where the members have been voting on the proposed impeachment of the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua. It was through a roll call as directed by the Speaker of the National Assembly. And what is currently happening is that the tallying of the votes is underway, and thereafter the pronouncement will be made as to how the members of the National Assembly voted this evening. This special motion was moved by the Honorable Member Mwengi Mutuse, and in that special motion, he did list 11 grounds on the reasons as to why the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, should be impeached as Kenya's second in command. The Member of Parliament cited gross violation of various articles, and also he did cite serious reasons to believe that the Deputy President has committed gross economic crimes under Section 45, subsection 1, Section 46, Section 47A3, and Section 48(1) of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, and Section 2, 3, 4, and 7 of Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Act. Those are some of the reasons that the Honourable Member believes that this House should take serious consideration of this special motion